My name is Carlos Gonzalez. I have been practicing chiropractic for 30 years. And the first 15 years of my life, I was dedicating that to becoming the best chiropractor that I could be and to get my practice going. I was getting such incredible results, and with the protocol that I developed, that I said I needed to get this information out to the world. And so I started on a journey to write a book. And so that sent me on a mission to learn how to write a book, how to market a book, and copywriting. And so that took me on a whole other journey. I have spent thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars on really terrible programs. And the internet marketing world, as you know, is a whole other animal. I spent a lot of money also on programs on how to do internet marketing. And if I mention one name, you'll know that name because he's very well known in the internet circles. But I'm going to tell you, Mike Dillard, I've been keeping an eye on him for several years now. And I've been watching and reading what people say about him. And I'm going to tell you, this Richer Everyday program is fantastic. It is a blueprint that can excel your business, whatever it may be. It can accelerate it 100-fold. The lessons in there are fantastic. I've gone through phase 1 and phase 2, and it's given me a very clear picture of where I need to be, what I need to do, how I need to do it. I would highly recommend, do not waste your time with other programs, with other people. Mike is the real deal. He's got years of experience and he's willing to share it all with us. So don't waste any more time. Do yourself a favor and get with Mike. I highly recommend him. Thank you, Mike, for your sincere work that you do, for all that you do. Thank you again, Mike.